everyone, this is Megan from the Sherburne Public Library. This week our theme has been outer space, so today for our craft I wanted to share an aluminum foil moon with you. So first I wanted to show you a picture of the surface of the moon, which is covered in craters. Now craters are formed when an asteroid or a meteorite hits the surface of the moon. They can also be formed by volcanic activity on the moon. And unlike on Earth, there is no atmosphere on the moon. So things that hit the moon pretty much stay there forever. That's why there's so many holes and pits on the surface of the moon. So what you're going to need for this craft, where we're going to be recreating craters on the moon, is a sheet of black paper, some glue. You're going to need a pair of scissors. Now I used a white and a yellow crayon, but you could use just one or both. You're going to need aluminum foil, and then you're also going to need some coins. If you have a hair tie, that works too, but that's how we're going to make our craters. So the first thing that I did is I took my sheet of black paper and I used my crayons to draw stars. Now I have some white and some yellow. The yellow doesn't show up as well as the white, as you can see. And the center I left blank because that's where my moon is going to go. Now with my tin foil, I traced out a circle and I cut it out with scissors. Here's my circle. This is going to be our moon. So what I'm going to do to make the craters, remember the picture I showed you with all of the craters on the surface of the moon. What we're going to do is we're going to take our coins, I have a quarter here, and we're going to put it underneath our tinfoil moon. I'm going to do a dime also. I'll do that just wherever you want to put them. Here's a penny. Now what we're going to do to make the craters is we're going to lay the tin foil over it, and then we're just going to press down with our fingers so that we can see the shape of the coin through. Do you see how I have those circles there? Now if we wanted to do a big crater, we could use something like a hair tie, something that's bigger than a coin, and just carefully press down around it so that you have the impression on the tin foil. So there's a big one from the hair tie. I'm going to do a few more. Here's my quarter again. There's another one with the penny. See how it's making the circles that look like craters? Now the other thing with the moon is you can see that it's all very rough. It's not a smooth surface. So one thing that we can do is we can carefully crumble up our tin foil and then take it back out. Do a few more of the craters with the coins. Maybe one more big one with the hair tie. Just like that. Now, when you're happy with how many you have on there, you're going to gently, I'm going to put the glue right on the paper. And I'm going to glue the moon right in the center, carefully, so that I can still see all of the craters. And there we go. So we've got a lot of texture on there from the aluminum foil, which of course, when you crumble it up, gives it a lot of texture. And then we've got all of our craters on there, just like the surface of the real moon. I hope you enjoyed this craft. And please, if you make it, share it with us on Facebook or Instagram. using the hashtag Sherburne Public Library. We'd also love to see any other crafts, or if you're working on any puzzles or anything at home, we'd love for you to share them with us, also on Facebook or Instagram. Have a great day.